I am super stoked for my new electric mason jar sealer. It just comes with this piece right here, so nice and compact. You can put this in your cupboard easily. And then it comes with the regular mason jar lids. And I forget if there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 of these lids, and then we've got 5 of the wide mouth lids. And then it came with some cute stickers too, so you know exactly what you are putting in the jars. It also came with the cord so you can charge it. And then of course the instructions, and there were instructions right on the top here. I don't know about you, but I will buy salad and it will go bad before I can eat it all, or a ton of other items, to be honest. So I'm excited to put some salad in glass jars, and you can even do, you know, different things with your lettuce in here and make, you know, a salad with all sorts of things. Anyway, okay, here is the electric sealer, and I'm going to unlock it. Hopefully you can see there's a little lock and unlock. So I'm going to turn it into the wide mouth sealer. If you put this back on, it will be the regular mouth. So I'm going to put this, I already put a lid on here. I'm going to put this on top, nice and tight. And then I'm going to, actually I'm going to show you, if you hold down the button, it will show you the percentage of battery. You can see 73%. But if you just press the button, now it is sealing it. So you can see it's sealing. And it's recommended to hold this on here for 40 seconds. And I just love the idea of not wasting as much food as I have been, and having things in glass jars in the fridge so I can see exactly what is in there. And yeah, and then I can, you know, have a salad every day of the week if I want to do it like that. I can put sauces in here, all sorts of different food items. And I'm going to press the button. It's been 40 seconds. So we're going to pull this off, and you can see the lid is attached now. So this is sealed into the bottle. This is so, so cool. And then, like I said, if you wanted to do the regular mouth, then you can just put this back on. Whoops, you can put it back on, and we are going to find the little red line. There we go. So you can lock it into place. You can hear a little click, and then you could put one of these on, and then it fits on your regular jars. There we go. So now it is on top, and then I would just press the button again, and then when I want to stop it, I can press it again. So convenient. Love this so much. It even came with a lid opener. So you would just put this on the side, and then you can pop up the lid so fast. So loving this, and would definitely recommend.